It all starts here, the blueprint of absolute speed, engineered for the ultimate racetrack dominance.
Raw aluminum, melted at extreme temperatures, forming the literal backbone of this ultimate machine. Forged under tons of pressure, the bridge frame is shaped to withstand brutal racetrack forces. The heart begins to beat. A solid steel billet is precision milled into the ultralight crankshaft.
Titanium valves meet BMW's legendary shift cam technology for explosive variable valve timing. Forged pinnacle titanium rods and pistons slide in, built to rev past 14,000 RPM.
The 6-speed racing gearbox and anti-hopping clutch are integrated for seamless quick-shifting performance. Sealed with lightweight magnesium covers, this 212 horsepower powerhouse is officially born. The marriage of power and structure. The engine becomes a stressed member of the chassis. The underslung rear swing arm and central shock are bolted, securing absolute rear-wheel traction. Woven from pure carbon fiber, these ultralight wheels drastically reduce rotational inertia. Upside-down front forks are clamped into place, engineered for razor-sharp track feedback.
Laser-guided robotic arms execute flawless welds, ensuring maximum structural rigidity and control.
The maintenance-free M endurance chain is linked, delivering pure power directly to the asphalt.
The lightweight aluminum fuel tank is dropped in, sculpted perfectly for high-speed rider ergonomics. The central nervous system is laid out. Advanced ECU and IMU sensors awake, ready to control chaos.
Anodized blue M calipers clamp onto twin discs, providing lethal braking power under stress. The historic M tricolor graphics are seamlessly applied over the M Motorsport light white bodywork.
The high-definition TFT display boots up, flashing the M startup animation over the cockpit. Massive carbon winglets are bolted onto the M Motorsport light white fairing, generating brutal downforce at high speeds.
The complete M Motorsport light white aero body is locked down, completing its aggressive, wind-slicing silhouette.
The carbon body panels enter the sterile paint booth, receiving a flawless base layer for the final look.
The legendary M Motorsport light white color is precision sprayed, establishing its iconic racing DNA.
Every system tested. The LED lights pierce through darkness while the engine screams to full power. From a digital concept to a tarmac shredder, the BMW M1000RR is officially unleashed.